We are expressing ourselves peacefully.
The Somali people have clearly expressed their stance. The president now recognizes the mistakes made and the need to address them.
The public peacefully rejects abuse of authority. The president has received this message and must now take corrective action.
Gentle dust swirls over the field.
The Teachers' Day event at Mogadishu Stadium turned chaotic when large groups of students rioted.
The people of Somalia speak with a peaceful voice against the misuse of power. The president deeply feels this message and its weight.
We want justice.
This peaceful gathering sends a powerful message. Authority must not be misused. The president understands the public's call and feels responsible.
Shacabka Soomaaliyeed si nabad ah ayay u muujinayaan diidmadooda ku aadan awood loo isticmaalay si qaldan. Madaxweynuhu uu fahmay fariintan wuxuuna garanayaa in qaladaadkii hore la socoyo.
The public stands firmly but peacefully against abuse of power. The president acknowledges the need for change.